What's up and welcome back, it's TFTest channel. Today I am reviewing the Xiaomi Mi CC9. Last 1 week I am using this device. Today I am reviewing this phone worth to buy and how is it this phone perform. Everything review on this video. Also Sumar compare on the Xiaomi Mi CC9 with CC9e. Okay, first overview the phone. The phone display, its display is a 6.39 inches Full HD plus resolution display. It's a super AMOLED display. You watch any movies, any contents, it's looking really amazing and color is very punchy and clearly. Display top side is a water drop notch here, notch inside 32 megapixel front facing camera here. It's a main feature. If you every time open the camera, is one more circle light coming on the top side. It's looking more beauty. Display bottom side, the chin here, it's not very thin, not very thick. It's look like Galaxy S10 type chin here. It's looking good. Phone top side, it's the 3.5mm jack and secondary noise cancellation mic and main IR blaster here on this device. Phone bottom side, Type-C port and speaker grills here, Type-C version USB 2.0. Let's look at the back side. This phone backside is looking really amazing gradient finish. This phone not a glass, but it's a glass take is looking really amazing feeling. It's incredible. Backside is a double camera setup here. Main camera is a 48 megapixel, second one is 8 megapixel ultra wide, last one is a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Bottom side Xiaomi logo here. This phone logo is not a normal logo. This is a glowing logo. You use charge, any notification is looking amazing. This phone running on the Android 9 is built on MIUI 10. This phone processor is the Snapdragon 710 10nm chipset processor. It's a mid-range processor. The score is 1,77,638. It's not very high, it's not very low. You compare to other budget segment phones, it's a high-end beast score. It's my opinion. What's your opinion? Your opinion comment in the comment. My experience on this device, why you buy also this one. Every day end 30 to 35% battery is remaining. I mean heavily use gaming on 2 hour PUBG game and 2 hour songs play, 1 hour talk time, otherwise some lot of the photo shoots. But the battery capacity is really amazing. It's a 4080 mAh battery and Xiaomi's MIUI 10 is the best battery optimizer. So its battery capacity is really amazing. My main feature is the iPhone style emojis and the main Galaxy style circle lights is looking really incredible. The emoji camera is look like same on iPhone devices, but this little bit it's good. It's the budget segment. The next level emoji features is really amazing. I'm already posted the one camera test video. Link in description. You cannot watch. See guys, this sample is really amazing. No quality losses. It's really high and rich quality pictures. One more feature is the glowing logo. Yes guys, you use charging your device or nighttime you just turn on the glowing mode. This phone Xiaomi logo is looking amazing. It's really amazing guys. It's a look like the gaming phone style glowing logo. It's a RGB light style. Yep, I like it. Okay, overall my experience this device is really amazing. It's worth for the money. Best value, camera, gaming, everything is really amazing. Just wait guys, tomorrow I am upload the PUBG gaming review on this device. Okay, just compare the Xiaomi Mi CC9 is the 6.39 inches Full HD plus resolution display, but the Xiaomi Mi CC9e is the 6.8 inches HD resolution display. But the two phone top side is a water run-up notch, also the same 32 megapixel front facing camera here. And one more difference, the display bottom side chain. The Xiaomi Mi CC9e chain is a very big, but the Mi 9cc chain is very low. It's looking good. It's a Galaxy S10 type chain on the Mi 9c. Also the two phones camera is same, no more difference, same 48 megapixel and the 8 megapixel ultra wide, last 2 megapixel depth is no more changes.